Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our online classes. Today, we will discuss about the topic pressure and numerical problems based on this topic pressure. Okay, we know that what is the pressure. Study we have discussed force acting per unit area on the surface of a body. How much force act in unit area on the surface of a body? That is called pressure. Or we can say that thrust acting per unit area on the surface of a body. So what is the formula for the force? Force is equal to, what is the formula for the pressure? Pressure is equal to force upon area. And what is unit for this physical quantity pressure? Newton per meter square or Pascal, because it is also proposed by the physicist Pascal. So that's why it one more unit Pascal or Newton per meter square. So now we are going to discuss about some numerical problem based on this topic pressure. Okay, based on this topic pressure. Clear? Question is given in a book, page number 40. Page number 40. Example 1. Page number 40. Question 1. What is given? A force of 25 Newton acts on a body of area of cross section 20 centimeter square. Force is given in this question. What is force is given? 25 Newton acts on a body of area of cross section 20 centimeter square. Area is given 20 centimeter square. So here area is given CG system. So first we have to convert this in SI system. No? So what is the area? 20 by 100 into 100, or you can say that 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Clear? Now, calculate the pressure exerted by the body in Pascal. Calculate the pressure exerted by the body in Pascal. How much pressure exerted by the body on a surface of matter? So we know that what is the formula for pressure? Pressure is equal to force upon area. Force upon area. So put the value of force 25 and area. Here it is given 20 into 10 to the power minus 4. 20 into 10 to the power minus 4. 20 into 10 to the power minus 4. Clear? So we will solve this. We will get the answer of the pressure. Here, see, 25.20 into 10 to the power 4. It becomes in numerator because already it is given denominator, so its power sign will change. 10 to the power plus. So here we will solve this one. 25 either divide by this. So what we get? If we divide this by 20, we will get value 1.25 into 10 to the power 4. Either 12,500 Newton per meter square, or you can say that Pascal. 12,500 Pascal. Clear? Next numerical we can solve on this same way. Next one. Second example of numerical is given in the same page 40. What is the magnitude of the force required in Newton to produce the pressure 27,500 Pascal on an area of 200 centimeter square? Now here pressure is given. Pressure is given 27,500 Pascal. Either you can say that 27,500 Newton per meter square. Okay, and one more thing is given, area. Area is given 200 centimeter square. So we can convert this in meter square or SI system by dividing 100 into 100. So 200 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Meter square. Either you can solve this one 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. Clear? So here we will find the what value of the force. So force is equal to pressure into area. Pressure into area. How much pressure exerted by the body? Here given 27,500 and area 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? So calculate this 275 into 2. Here written right in this form 10 to the power plus 2 10 to the power minus 2. So both are cancelled out now. So what we do here? Value of force 275 into 2. Here both are cancelled out. What will be given here? Either you can write simply 275 into 2 because 10 to the power plus 2 10 to the power minus 2. It becomes 1. So value of this is what? 550 Newton. 550 Newton. Clear? Now, third question. This is clear. Second question. You will note down your copy. Okay? Nobody just skip this question. You have to write down your copy. Okay? Now, next question. Third one on the same page number 40. Page number 40. A force of 75 Newton. A force of 75 Newton can produce a pressure of 1,50,000 Pascal. Calculate the area in centimeter square on which force acts. What values are given here? Value of force is given. How much? 75 Newton. And value of pressure is given 1,50,000 Pascal. 1,50,000 Pascal. Clear? Either 1,50,000 Newton per meter square. Here we have to find the value of area. We have to find the value of area. So area is equal to force upon pressure. Force upon pressure. So put the value of force and pressure. Force is given 75. Force is given 75 and pressure is given 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Clear? So we will solve this one. 75 to the 150. 2000 means 1 by 2000 meter square. Meter square. But we have to find here answer in CG system, centimeter square. So here we have to multiply by 10 to the power 4 or 10,000. So what is the value of area? 1 by 2000 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. It means 1 by 2000 multiplied by 10,000. Here 30 cancel out by 30 and 2 5s are 10. So area is 5 centimeter square. Area is 5 centimeter square. Clear? Okay. One more example we will discuss here. One more example we will discuss here based on the same topic, pressure. What? It is given on the page number 38. Page number 38 in your textbook. Page number 38. Imagine a girl of mass 50 kg standing on a pencil heel. Each of area of cross section 1 centimeter square. Clear? Means mass and area for the one particular object is given. Mass is given what? Mass of girl is given. Mass of girl is given. How much? 50 kg. So we have to convert this mass into the force by multiplying the value of gravity. Value of gravity. So 50 into 10. Force is equal to 50 into 10 meter per second square. So 500 Newton applied by this object on the surface of area. Area is given 1 centimeter square. Either we can write this 10 to the power. Here we convert this area of cross section of one hill is given. Area of cross section of one hill is given. So we have to find the area of cross section of two hills. So here area of cross of two hills, 2 into 1 centimeter square. Either we have to convert this in the meter square. So 2 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square, because 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. So how much pressure exerted by the gun? Exerted by the gun on the surface. कितना प्रेशर ये गन का जो हिल है इसका वो अर्थ सरफेस पे exert करेगा. Clear? So pressure is equal to force upon area. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Force is given 500. Area 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. So 500 by 2 into 10 to the power plus 4. When you solve this one, what will you get? 250 into 10 to the power 4 Pascal. 4 Pascal. Clear? Okay. One more question is given in the same question. An element of mass 2000 kg, foot area is 250 centimeter square, standing on a floor. Okay. Find the pressure exerted by the elephant. Exerted by the elephant. So for the second case, mass of elephant is given and how much area connected with the foot of the element to the earth's surface. It is given. So mass is given what? Mass of elephant is given what? 2000 kilogram. 2000 kilogram. So first we have to convert this mass into the force or weight. So force becomes what? 2000 into 10. 20,000 Newton. 20,000 Newton. Clear? Now, area of cross section for this second object is given how much? Area is given 250 centimeter square. 250 centimeter square for one leg, which is contact with the earth surface of the elephant. So there are 4 legs. So total area 4 into 250 centimeter square. We have to convert this in meter square. 1000 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Either it becomes 0.1 meter square. 0.1 meter square. So pressure exerted by the elephant on the earth surface. How much? P is equal to force upon area. Force upon area. So force is given what? How much? 20,000. Area 0.1. 0.1. If we will solve this one, we will get the value of the pressure. What? Here 20,000 and 0.1. 0.1. It means here 10 to the power. We can write this 10 to the power minus 1. So here we can write this in the form 10 to the power 4. 20 10 to the power 4 Pascal. 10 to the power 4 Pascal. Clear? So this much pressure exerted by the elephant on the ground and this much pressure exerted by the gun on the ground. So which one is greater? Which one is greater? This one or this one? Which one is greater? Second one or first one? Second one or first one? This pressure is 250 10 to the power 4 and this pressure is 20 10 to the power 4. So which one exerting more pressure? This one. Clear? Okay. So next topic is application of pressure. We'll discuss it next class. Thank you, class.